Hello, so now we will perform our third task, which is serial read. We will take input from serial monitor to Arduino. So through serial monitor we can also give input to Arduino. That means we can take input, for example some values or some other thing, some string, let's say your name, from serial monitor to Arduino environment. So this is our circuit. Since we just take input and then we will write the output again in the serial monitor, that's why only we need the Arduino and serial monitor. So in the Proteus, the circuit is just like this. Arduino and then TXRX are connected to our virtual monitor. So this is the program. If I want to demonstrate, first of all, character incoming equal to 0. That means we just defined a variable. The name of this variable is incoming and it is a character variable, because all the values, all the keyboard entries, that means Q, W, E, R, T, Y or 1, 2, 3, anything, we will read this as character. That's why character incoming equal to 0. Then our void setup function, similar to our previous task, here serial.begin 9600. That means we are opening our serial port and we are setting the baud rate to 9600 bit per second. And then our void loop function. So here in this void loop function, what we want to do, we want to send data only when we receive data. So whenever we receive any data from serial monitor, we will read that and we will send it immediately. That is our code. So if serial.available greater than 0, that means serial.available will give some values. So when serial.available greater than 0, so that by using this line we are telling that whenever some information is given in serial monitor, whenever some information is inputted in serial monitor, then we are incoming equal to serial.read. Then we are reading this value by using serial.read function. So serial.read is a serial function. By using, we are reading values from serial monitor. After reading this value incoming, we will just print this in our serial monitor. So there is another line, the serial.print I received. So it will print I received command and then serial.println incoming. So there is a minor difference here. If you notice, this line is serial.print, but the last one is serial.println. So using serial.print, it will just print, but no new line will be printed. I will demonstrate it, don't worry. But using serial.println, another new line is created. Anyway, so let's verify the code. So it is compiling this case. Let's wait. So after done compiling, I will copy the location. Yes, so it is done compiling. I need to copy the hex file location now. So this is the hex file location. If I select it, Control C, then in the Proteus, double click here and here Control A to select all to replace, then Control V. Now okay. So I just uploaded the program. Now I need to simulate it. So I just click run the simulation. Now it is running the simulation, and in the virtual terminal I will write something. So let's say I am giving on in my keyboard. So I just pressed on. So here it is written I received on. So this virtual terminal have received on. If I press it 2, so I received 2. If I press it, let's say ace, I received ace. If I press it Q, I received Q. So by using this program, if I demonstrate again, so it is reading the value by using serial read, whatever I have given through my keyboard there, and then first line serial.print I received. So it is written I received and then no new line is entered. That means it is not printing the second information to another line. It is printing in the same line. That's why serial.print. But after printing the value of incoming, we have given print line. That means after this print line, it is going to another line. I will demonstrate you what happens if I don't give this print ln. If I just write it print, so verify it. Now it is compiling. Yes, done compiling. So let's move on. Now if I run the simulation, okay, now if I give here 1, something wrong, 1, I received 1. Now E, so I received E. So if you notice, no new line, that means no enter key is pressed here. Enter, by pressing enter, we generally give a new line. So whatever we give, it will printed in a single line. That's why we need to print a print ln. That's the work of serial.println. Now I may stop this simulation and let's check what is written in our lab sheet. So this is the function I demonstrated, Arduino case. Now construct the circuit, upload the code, that is done. Change character to integer in the first line. What values is shown in the virtual monitor. So in the first line, I define this incoming variable at character. So if I change it to integer, what happened? Let's check. Integer incoming. Now if I run this, verify. Now let's check. So run this simulation. So now just clicked on here and now I will provide something. So I just clicked on, so it's saying that I received 49. Interesting. I just clicked on 2, so it is saying 50. I just clicked on ace, it is saying that I received 104. I just clicked on U and it is saying 117. So what happened? So I am giving you this as a homework. I ask you to investigate what happened here, and for just a hint, I am just saying that for every values in your keyboard there is a different code. We called something, I am not mentioning it. I am giving you to investigate why this value occurs here. I given 1 but it shows me 49. I given 2 but it shows 50. So why this value? I am giving you to investigate this and discuss it in the report.